Getting a parcel is usually a pleasant experience. But what if it's 2 o'clock in the morning? And why do the postman and the parcel look so odd? In this situation, most people would be taken aback and refuse to accept delivery of the parcel. Although, sneaking a peek would be interesting to see what's inside the parcel. Oh, better not take any risks. Luckily, this situation is rather rare at your physical front door. But what about your digital everyday life? It's not unusual to receive emails with attachments. Sometimes you open them because you're curious or in a hurry. What's the worst that could happen? Well, yes, sometimes the worst does happen. Opening attachments could give criminals control over your computer system, let them read your data or login details, or encrypt your important data in order to blackmail you. That's why we now give you 3 tips to help you to detect dangerous attachments and not fall for criminal tricks. Tip 1. Take your time and think about it. Does the message make sense? Is there anything suspicious about the content, the attachment, the sender, or the email address? Does it make any sense at all that you're receiving this message? These simple questions may help you to detect and delete many dangerous mails. However, many criminals have improved their techniques and are now sending mails that seem to be plausible at first sight. In this case, tip 2 might help you. Pay close attention to the file format. Every file has a file name with a period or dot, followed by an abbreviation for the file format. That's how your computer knows which program has to be used to open the file. For example, a Word document shows the abbreviation .doc or .docx. Many file formats transport potentially dangerous content. Some formats are especially suited to criminal use. For example, a file format that's able to execute code because it has direct access to the operating system. One such extension is .exe. Exe means executable. But even a Word or Excel file that seems innocent at first sight may make your text editing program execute macro scripts. Once you've launched these macros, they can cause severe damage because they're able to decrypt or encrypt data. So, before opening an unknown attachment, think about the file format and what this file format might do to your operating system. Sometimes criminals call their data notes.txt.exe and hope you will not take a closer look. In this case, it's important for you to realize that only the very last abbreviation reveals the real file format. But what if you can't see the last abbreviation because the name of the file is too long or the name is hidden? In this case, or if you don't know the file format, you should consider the attachment to be potentially dangerous and use tip 3. Ask for more information. If you don't trust a file, ask the sender about it. But be careful, don't use the contact details given in the email or reply to the email. Have a look at your mailing list or search the contact details using a search engine. Not only the attachment, but also the contact details or links in this email could be faked. This video shows you how to detect dangerous links. All in all, try not to burst with curiosity, and don't be too hesitant to delete mails. If it's a really important mail, the sender will contact you again.